quote the job. Once we have the job, once we get the order from them for the price that we agreed on, we then start the manufacturing process. And what we specialize in manufacturing is precision small parts. Not always metal, but mostly plastics.
The most interesting part of my job would be, I guess, setting parts up, because you're starting from scratch and you get to work your way through and make sure everything is, I don't know, you start from scratch and get to see a finished product.
In college, I was very interested in robotics and in manufacturing. While in college, I got a job in a manufacturing facility, and I saw at the time that it would be something that would help me further my ability in robotics later on. But as I kept working in this industry, just creating the parts themselves, I just fell in love with it. It just allows me to be as creative as I want. It allows me to design, manufacture, allows me to be as precise as I want, or it gives me the abilities to use my skills and develop what I can.
Like things like kind of perfect, and I really like to measure the parts and learning all the stuff. I never thought I'd be in, or I would do this much math out of high school. That's for sure. But it's just a lot of fun just being able to, I guess, check parts.
Come in, start to remove some of the material. This is a roughing up. By the end, it turns into a feature like this. What they use is just on an arm that measures other in-process measurement. You'll see a CMM in there eventually that shows you how we measure things. Well, this is a in-process CMM where the arm can come out here and out. And essentially what this is your elbow of that machine. So the parts stick here and it will rotate around.